Confident English Daily. Real conversations, real confidence. Hey, welcome to Confident English Daily. Do you think you can rock English like a pro? I'm your host, Sarah. Today we're diving deep into real confidence. Don't skip this one, because we're showing you exactly how to speak English confidently in daily life. Let's go!
Hey Sarah, you looked really confident in today's team meeting. How do you do it? I always feel nervous when I have to speak.
Thanks, Rocky. Honestly, I still get nervous too. But I've learned that confidence isn't about never feeling fear. It's about not letting fear stop me.
That sounds good in theory, but in the moment my mind goes blank, I start thinking everyone will judge me.
I used to feel exactly the same. Then I realized something powerful. Small, consistent actions build real confidence. For example, I now prepare 2 good points before every meeting. Even if I feel anxious, I force myself to say at least one. Every time I do it, I feel a little stronger.
So it's like training a muscle?
Exactly. Confidence is a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Last week, I was scared to give feedback to my senior. My heart was racing, but I did it calmly. The relief and pride I felt afterward were amazing.
Wow. I want that feeling, but what if you make a mistake? I hate that embarrassment.
Mistakes happen to everyone. The difference is how we talk to ourselves. Instead of saying, I'm so bad at this, I now say, okay, that wasn't perfect, but I showed up and tried. Next time I'll be better. That small shift changed everything for me.
That's actually really helpful. I always beat myself up for small things.
We all do at first. But be kind to yourself, Rocky. You're learning and growing. That deserves respect. Tell me, what's one situation where you want to feel more confident?
Speaking up in meetings and also starting conversations with new people, I feel shy and stuck.
Then let's start small. Next meeting, try saying just one sentence. Even, I agree with that point because. And for new people, a simple, Hi, I'm Rocky. Nice to meet you is enough. The key is doing it even when you feel nervous. That's how real confidence is born.
You're right. I feel more motivated already. Thanks, Sarah. Talking with you always lifts my energy.
Anytime. We're in this together. Small steps every day. That's the real secret.
Small steps every day. I like that. Let's keep pushing each other.
Deal.
And that's how real confidence grows, through honest conversations and small brave actions. If this helped you, like the video and tell us in the comments. What's one situation where you want to feel more confident? See you in the next episode on Confident English Daily. Keep practicing.